In this video, I'm going to show you how you can view your Canva designs side by side. I'm also going to give you another solution which will help you, because I know sometimes when you're creating Canva designs, you want to line things up perfectly. So I'll show you here two ways that you can do it. So the first way to view your designs side by side is to go to the bottom right hand corner to the grid view. And if you click on that, you can then see them side by side. Now, if you wanted to zoom in a little bit, hold down Control and Shift on your keyboard, then press the plus icon. And if you keep doing that, it's going to zoom in and you'll be able to see everything side by side, maybe just to make sure everything's lined up. Now, to get out of that, go ahead and close grid view and then obviously zoom out with the minus icon. One other way that you can line things up is by using rulers. Now, I know this isn't what you searched for, but it might help, so just stay tuned. Go to File, go Settings, go Show Rulers and Guides. Now, if I wanted to make sure that the top of this segment was lined up with the top of another segment, I could go ahead and drag the ruler down, and you can see here that the segment starts at 388. So you can see the number on the left. Now I know that if I drag the ruler down on the secondary page, it should start at 388. So you can see it starts at 388. That's how I know that things are going to line up properly and that everything, should line up. So that's how you can view your design side by side, and another bonus method. I hope that video was useful.